So I have this question here that says if the guess is more than the computer number, then I'm going to possibly answer that's too high and tell them to try again. So you can probably guess that I'm going to have to put the same sort of question in, whether it's too low. And I'm going to have to keep guessing until the guess equals the computer number. So I'm going to keep asking this question until they get it right. So after they've put in their first guess, I'm going to put in a conditional loop where I say repeat until the guess equals the computer number. So let's just move that down. So I get them to put in one guess, and I'm going to say that I want them to keep putting in guesses until that guess that they put in equals the computer number. So if it was too high, I'm going to tell them so. If it's too low, I'm going to tell them so. And then I'll have to get another guess from them. So I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to put that code at the bottom of this loop. I'm just pressing Tab to make everything line up nicely. So I put in one guess, and I'm going to find out whether it equals the computer number, and if it doesn't, I'll tell them if it's too high, too low, and then I'll get another guess. And I'll keep going around here, getting guesses, until the guess equals the computer number. So when this loop stops, at that point, it must be because the guess equaled the computer number. So I could go answer, yay, you're right. Alright, so let's just copy this. I'll put that in here. I'm just going to switch that round, that, and make this too low. Try again. So I let them know if it's too high, I let them know it's too low, I get another guess, and I keep going around this loop until the guess equals the computer number, and then I tell them they're right. So let's just watch that working. So I press start. I'm going to do a 5. That's too high. See how the 5 went in the field, so that's okay. Let's try 2. That's too high. Must be 1. Yay, you're right. Let's play again. 5 again. Oh, straight away. Too high. Try a 1. Too low. Too low. Must be 4. So this is the basic game here. Now there are various things you could do. You could have a number of guesses, and you could make that go up by 1 in here. Every time they make a guess, you could add 1 on, and then you could maybe even stop. You could say until the guess equals the computer number, or the number of guesses is 5 and you only let them choose, have 5 guesses. So you could do that. You could actually change this number so that if they choose easy or medium or hard, then you choose out of 10, 50 or 100. So you can make that a variable. You could do things like, instead of just answering too high, try again, you could actually put in a graphic that actually illustrates that it's too high. And the same thing for that. And this could be more interesting. Instead of just yay, you're right, you could maybe have a graphic pop up